This home sits on the northern edge of Namutu, New Plymouth, on a beach called Fitzroy Beach. It's an interesting site in that it's a rugged west coast open beach, but it also has quite an urban context. As you enter the home, there's a real sense of discovery, not only in the journey, but also in the textural elements revealing themselves.
Natural stone creates a statement in the stairwell and the curved wall that leads into the living space and feature fireplace.
The beachfront pavilion is a stone and glass structure with a green grass roof hovering above it. We've punctuated the space with some skylights. It's more of a playful sort of way of bringing light into the building. At the rear of the site we have a two-storey cedar-clad pavilion which houses the more private parts of the building. We wanted our clients to be able to overlook a beautiful living roof, but also to allow the building to blend itself into the surrounding dunes and landscape.
The kitchen is very generous with a 5-metre long granite island that is gently curved on both the top and the base to complement the other surrounding curves. In the evening, the light is quite spectacular. The home changes quite dramatically from daytime to the evening with incredible sunsets.
This is a very special place at the end of the day, watching the sun go down. It's a place where you can sit back and relax and really put a full stop on your day.